Hey everyone! Have you ever wished for a tool that makes organizing your content a breeze? Well, dreams do come true. If you're like most of us, constantly juggling between browser tabs, bookmarked favorites, and saved articles, you know how much of a headache it can be to find what you need when you need it. Today, we're looking deep into the SaveDay lifetime deal, and trust me, this one's a game changer for anyone who wants to keep their digital life in order. Let's break down how SaveDay works. What is SaveDay? So, what exactly is SaveDay? Think of it as your personal AI assistant that helps you capture, organize, and make sense of all the information you collect online. SaveDay allows you to capture anything on the internet with just one click. Yes, you heard that right. Images, videos, articles, and even single sentences are now easy to grab and store. And it integrates with all the apps you already love, like Notion, OneDrive, and Pocket, making it even easier to keep everything in one place. It's like having a digital library at your fingertips. Don't miss out. Exclusive lifetime deal prices on AppSumo await. Normally, a tool like this would cost you a small fortune. But right now, on AppSumo, you're getting the SaveDay lifetime deal for as low as $69. That's right, a one-time payment and you're set for life. Let's break down the different tiers so you can pick the best one for your needs. License Tier 1. For just $69, you get 30 key points credits per month and 30 Canday credits per month. That's a solid deal if you're just getting started with organizing your content. License Tier 2. For $129, you're upgraded to 90 key points credits and 90 Canday credits per month. More power for those of you dealing with loads of information. License Tier 3. If you're a power user, then License Tier 3 is where you'll want to land. For $309, you get unlimited key points credits and unlimited Canday credits per month. Perfect for people who are deep into content management and need unlimited access to SaveDay's AI capabilities. 5 most important features that make SaveDay special. Content capture. Capture anything: videos, images, full articles, or just a single sentence from anywhere on the web. AI summarization. No need to read through long articles or watch lengthy videos. SaveDay extracts key points instantly and presents them in an easy-to-understand format. Content search. With SaveDay's AI search, just type in a few words you remember, and it'll pull up the exact content you're looking for. Custom collections. Want to group your saved content based on projects or topics? You can create custom collections to keep everything super organized. Cross-device syncing. SaveDay works seamlessly across all devices, so you always have access to your organized knowledge hub. Who can benefit from SaveDay? C-suite executives, marketers, product managers, freelancers, researchers, content creators, students. Grab a 10% extra deal from AppSumo. Here's the cherry on top. If you're ready to grab the SaveDay lifetime deal, AppSumo has a little bonus for you. You can snag an extra 10% off on top of the already discounted price. How to grab this deal? Visit the SaveDay lifetime deal on AppSumo. Add the deal to your cart. Check your email for a 10% off code and apply it at checkout. Why wait? Save big while making your content organization stress-free. Reviews that SaveDay lifetime deal on AppSumo get. Are you still waiting? Don't miss out. Secure your lifetime deal now before it's too late. Transform your digital chaos into a well-organized hub with SaveDay. Check out the description for more details and grab that lifetime deal before it's gone. If you found this review helpful and are interested in more tech tutorials and reviews, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel.